Are you tired of the challenges of cold calling? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing AI, the powerful tool that can revolutionize your sales game. Get ready to enhance your efficiency and effectiveness with our video on how to use AI to improve your cold calling. Let's dive right into the first point. AI-powered prospecting. Watch as AI software analyzes vast data sets to identify high-potential leads. By narrowing down the list to those most likely to be interested in your product or service, AI saves you time and increases your chances of success with each call. Moving on to our second key point, personalized call scripts. Witness AI generating custom scripts tailored to each prospect's profile and previous interactions. Say goodbye to generic pitches. With dynamic scripts that adapt in real time, you'll deliver more relevant and engaging messages during cold calls. Now let's focus on optimizing call timing. See how AI analyzes past call data to determine the best times to reach prospects. No more wasted calls. With AI's predictions, you'll make calls at optimal times and improve your connection rates. Next up, voice analytics. Experience AI analyzing your tone, speech patterns, and pace during a call. Instant feedback is at your fingertips. Adjust your approach to sound more confident, friendly, or persuasive, based on the situation. But we're not done yet. Let's talk about automated follow-ups. Watch as AI schedules follow-up calls and drafts personalized emails. Never forget a prospect again. AI automates the follow-up process, ensuring timely and personalized communication essential for closing deals. Lastly, our final section is learning from AI insights. Discover how AI generates detailed reports on call, performance, and outcomes. Identify what strategies are working and what needs improvement. Continuously refine your approach and achieve better results. In conclusion, integrating AI into your cold calling process is a game changer. Remember the key points: AI-powered prospecting, personalized call scripts, optimizing call timing, voice analytics, automated follow-ups, and learning from AI insights. Like, share, and subscribe to our video. Become more efficient, targeted, and successful in your outreach efforts. AI is here to transform your cold calling experience.